Hey guys, welcome to Crypto India. Good morning. This is your host Shiv, and this is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, altcoin, blockchain space, ICOs, and everything. So I am wearing the Bitcoin T-shirt again. So thank you so much for coming back here. For those of you who have just subscribed to this channel, I welcome all of you. And there's a lot of information that I share about cryptocurrency space, so that might be helpful to you guys. That's the idea of this channel. So thank you so much for coming back. Let's start with the coin market cap today. So we have the regular price chart. We have Bitcoin at about 4,500 US dollar, which is slightly gone down by 1.8%. You have Ethereum at 341, down by 2.65%. You have Bitcoin Cash at 602 US dollar, which is up by 3.54%. You have Ripple at 22 cents and minus by 0.70. You have Litecoin at 76 US dollar, minus 4.21%. So these are the top 5 currencies. I don't want to get into all the cryptocurrencies. Yeah, there are more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies so far, but these are the top 5 with the biggest market cap. So how do you know it is a top 5? They have the largest market cap. Even though the prices may be less, but they have a market cap. All right, so let's talk about the news around the world. So Ukraine is one of the country which is in the verge of declaring a legal status on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in 3 weeks from now. So the news is coming out from Cointelegraph. Of course, it says that the Ukrainian Cabinet of Ministers on the Financial Stability Board conducted a meeting in the late August 2017 to tackle the legal status of virtual currencies like Bitcoin in the country. The ministers have reached an agreement to decide on the issue in next 3 weeks. So probably there is they have a meeting with the National Bank of Ukraine and the Ministry of Finance, and they are coming up with the legal status of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in the next 3 weeks, which is good. You must have got across the news of Japan being legalized the Bitcoin payment method, in Australia and South Korea. So slowly all the countries are actually studying it and putting some kind of regulations which are important. Talking about regulations, so there is something going on here, so you'll have to bear with me. I'm sorry about that. So this is irritating. Okay, so yeah, talking about the regulations in China, it seems they want to regulate all the ICOs which are coming up. So they really want to scrutinize the ICOs which are coming up before they actually launch the token. So which is good in a way. I'll tell you how. Because at most of the time what happens is there's an ICO, people would just go ahead and participate. There's an ICO, it's selling at half a dollar, a few cents, let's participate and then make some money. But in this process, what happens is most of the time, these ICOs never get listed on the exchange. Some of them are not even built on blockchain, and there is a huge opportunity for people to get cheated with their money. So I think when the Chinese government comes with an ICO, they would scrutinize the entire ICO before actually they launches the tokens. So this would be good in a way for the investors, because they know that the ICO has gone through a filtration process, and probably government has found it, regulation has found it to be authentic, and that is why it is being released. And then when you buy tokens, there is more probability that you would not get cheated, and you'll be able to make good money out of it in case you are investing something. So that's about ICO. And I'm not sure, there was one national summit, global summit in fact, that was about to happen in China, called a Bitkan summit. The name of this, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that you can go ahead and check that out. But this summit is called Shape of the Future Blockchain Global Summit, scheduled on the 10th of September this week in Beijing, China, in Hotel Sofitel. This was a huge. The reason I'm saying was because I'm not sure this is going to still happen, because because the Chinese government are into the regulations of everything. This may get cancelled, but that's not confirmed yet. But if you are somewhere in China, or you are looking ahead to be updated on these summit, this is one of the biggest one. There are about 80 plus guests coming up there. 800 attendees all across the globe will be attending this blockchain summit, and there are 200 plus media influencers like people from news and all the other industries will be available to witness this blockchain summit, Bitcoin summit in Bitkan, which is gonna be huge. I'm not sure whether they're still holding it or will be suspended. So this is the news as of now, as of today. Do share your thoughts and opinions. What do you think? What is the, I hope there are some kind of regulations that comes up in India as well very soon, because we heard last time, we heard that the government is forming some committee to understand and study the status of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in India as well. So let's hope when they would be coming up with some kind of news on that. So that's it for now. Let me know if you would like me to cover some topics, and do share your thoughts and opinions on all the news and different cryptocurrencies that you have. There are so many of them, and let's be connected. So again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe and share this video with your friends who are involved in cryptocurrencies, and let's be connected, guys. So thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day ahead. Take care.